Hello guys, and welcome back to another custom minifigures daily video. Where today, I'm going to be showing you how to make SPIDER-LEGS Darth Maul from Star Wars The Clone Wars. So, this video might be a little bit longer than my usual ones because it takes some actual Lego building. You will require some pieces. You might need a little, So, let's just start off with half of Darth Maul's body. So, I'm just going to set this right here. Oh, focus there. Move that out of the way. Okay, actually, I'll just move it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I used Carnage's torso and arms. Then I used black hands, which can be found on the Darth Maul minifigure. And then I used the Darth Maul head, and that's how you make the half of Darth Maul's body that was cut in half by Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, now let's get him out of the way, and let's build the spider legs. So the spider legs is what I'm a little bit... Yeah, this is what the big video is for. So let's start off with this little... Let's just take it all apart real quick. And I'm going to show you... Okay, so you're going to want to start off with this thing, okay? And then... okay, so you're going to want to start off with this thing. I put this little gray piece at the bottom with this little thing, and I'm not sure where this from. And then you're going to need one of these, which is like the 2x2 circles. They're like little circle pieces. If you want to get a nice view. And then for this piece, I just used this thing. Sorry. So, this thing right here, which you can stick on there. And then, okay. So there you go. This is like a little base plate. Then you want to get one of these, and you'll need to do this 4 times. You don't have to, it doesn't really matter about the color, but you're going to need these things. They come on like War Machine's hands and the Hulkbuster hands. And these little spike things are just from like, they're on the Sarlacc pit. And they're on other stuff. They're just in a bunch of Lego sets. I think you can find them on... I don't know. But you're going to have to make them 4 times. And then you want to put them on the sides like this. So then you have a little gap on here. And then you'll put it... So if you, it looks like this essentially... Wait, hold on. Let me add this final one. Okay. So when you're done with that step, it will look like this, which is not complete yet. Okay, and then you're going to need these. These are on the Ultron versus Hulk Mighty Micro set. So you're going to need 2 of them, and then put them on the ones right here. So then there's still a little piece back there, as you guys can see. And there is the main little piece. So there you go. This is the original spot. But then you're going to want to add the little back thing because he's literally a spider. So you're going to need a one of these little clip pieces that you can find on this War Machine one video I did yesterday. Here, I'll sync it up there. Alright, now you clip this onto the back part. Right next to those big spider legs. So then it looks like this. Then you get one of these red pieces, or any of these pieces with the little nub here. And then you'll stick it on there. There you go. Okay, and then this is going to be the interesting part. So, okay, so you're going to need one of these little red pieces here. I'm not sure 100% where they are from. I know they are from Lego Technic and stuff, but they just look like this. I'll sync that up. There you go. Alright, so then you're going to need 2 of these pieces that have the little pluses in the center of them. And then you're going to want to put these together using this piece. Oops, sorry about this, guys. Okay. So then it looks like this little cube with a little red plus in the middle of each of them. Here, I'll sync that up with you. Sorry about this, guys. Then on the top, you'll want to put one of these ones that have the little slanted pieces there. Then you'll put that on. Then you want to put it on up like this against this red piece. Clip that on nicely. So then it's a little cube with the little thing like there. So that's what they should look like. Hold on. Okay. So there we go, is your spider leg, and then you can add the Darth Maul on here. You can put him there, or you can put him back here. Whoops. You can choose whichever one you prefer. I prefer it up front, like right here, but whatever. Okay, and then, so, also though, next time I do Star Wars, I can also show you how to do the ones with the cybernetic legs, like from the Clone Wars. So the spider legs is, yes, from the Clone Wars and stuff like that. But then if you want me to, I can make one where it's like, yeah, like this. Okay, So then, as you can see, the whole Spider-LEGS Darth Maul. Nice view for you. It's pretty good. I think it's really good from all the pieces I just found I've been. And this is before I would look up videos on how to make stuff. Like, this is a 100% new by me. Like, I did not look anything up for this. I just found pieces in my bin. I thought about this in my head. And, yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, if you like this build, like this video, and if you like, and then if you want to check out my channel, you can click on my little name and the profile picture thing down below next to the subscribe button. Speaking of the subscribe button, if you want to, you can press that, so then it's easier to find my videos. Also, it just supports me. Of this video, I have 11 subscribers, and yep, I hope to get more. And so yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video on custom minifigures daily. See you guys later.